Hi everybody, welcome back to my video, to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunthai. Okay, today we are going to study about the expressions with the verb have. Okay, go on. Okay, expressions with have. Okay, our score, there are so many expressions with have, but today we are going to study only 10 expressions with have. Okay, let's have a look together. Have a hat. Okay, have a hat. Used to ask someone to be kinder to you. Maybe sometimes it's very difficult to do it. To do something. So you use the word have a hat. Maybe you ask somebody, okay, not maybe, but you ask somebody to be kinder to you because you find it difficult to do it. Okay, let's have a look at the example together. Don't make me write it again. Have a hat. I can write it again. Okay, it's very difficult. Okay, have a hat. Be kind to me. Okay. Okay, more example. Have a hat. I'll never get all that done. I'll never get all that done. Okay, have a hat. I can't do it. It's very difficult. Okay, have a hat. Okay, the second expression. Okay, have a was. Okay, it's similar to the word was, but you use expression with have a was. To wash your body or a part of it. To wash your hand. Okay, to wash your face. To wash your maybe part of your body. Okay, you can use have a wash. Okay, to wash your body. Okay. I need to have a wash before dinner. Okay, I need to wash especially my hands before eating anything, before eating food, before having dinner, before having breakfast. Okay, more example. I'll have a quick wash before dinner. Okay, a quick wash. Okay, only hands. Okay, and have dinner together. Okay, have a wash. Okay, do you understand? Can you use these expressions? One more. Okay, have appointment. A formal arrangement to meet or visit someone at a particular time and place. It means that you prepare a particular time, prepare a particular place to meet somebody. Okay, have appointment. Okay, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. I arranged to meet the doctor tomorrow. Okay, a particular place and a particular time. Okay. Okay, meet someone at a particular time. For example, tomorrow at 12 o'clock. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Okay, I have an appointment with my boss. I am going to meet, or we can say, I'm meeting my boss tomorrow. Okay, go to the second slide. Expressions with have. Have a look. Look at with attention. Have a look, it means look at with attention. Pay attention and look. Have a look at this. Okay, it means that you look at this. It is my new car I bought yesterday. Look, 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 look. My new car I bought yesterday. Have a look at my new car. I bought it yesterday. Okay, more. Is that your new computer? Can I have a look? Can I have a look? Can I look at it? Is that your new computer? I want to look at it. Can I have a look? Have a go. Have a go. To try to do something. To try to do something. Have a go. Okay, example, I can't get the window open. Let me have a go at it. I can't get the window open. Means that I cannot open the window. Oh, let me try to open it. Oh, let me have a go at it. Is that your bicycle? Can I have a go? Can I try to ride your bicycle? Can I ride your bicycle? Okay. Have a go. Try to do something. Have a good journey. Okay. This expression, okay, we use this expression when we say goodbye to somebody, when somebody is going away, go on tour, go on holiday, and travel to somewhere. Okay, we use an expression, have a good journey. Example, goodbye, have a good journey. Okay, now I want to go home. Goodbye. Okay, and have a good journey. Have a good journey. See you in a week. See you a week later. See you in a week's time. And now, please have a good journey. Okay, have a good journey. Okay, go to the third slide. Expressions with have a moment, have a moment, have a short period of time available for something. Have a moment, have a second, or have a minute. Okay, a moment we can use with wait as well. For example, wait a moment, wait a minute, wait a second. Okay, now have a moment, have a minute, have a second. Okay, short time. Or we can say some time, a short time. Okay, let's have a look at the example together. Do you have a moment? Do you have a short time? Do you have a second? Do you have a minute? I have a few things I'd like to discuss with you. I have a few things I'd like to discuss with you. Okay, one more. Okay, have a word with somebody. Have a word with somebody means that to talk to someone quickly. Have a word, to talk, to speak to somebody quickly. Okay, example, I'll have a word with him and see if he can help us or not. I'll have a word with him. I will talk to him. I will speak to him and see if he'll help. I want to talk to him and I will know that he can help us or not. Okay, have a word with him, talk to him, speak to him. Okay, the last one, okay, the last expression with have, okay, have the time. Okay, have the time. To be able to use an amount of time required for a particular purpose. Have the time. Do you have the time to talk to me? Okay. I don't have the time to talk right now. Okay. Have the time. Okay, use the time to talk right now. If I have the time, I will help you. If I have the time, I will call you. Okay, finish this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.